Hello everybody, welcome back to Thompson TV. It is Charlotte and today I am going to be talking you around our brand new Elddis Encoure 295. So the Encoure is the top of the range in the Elddis brand and I will show you why. On the Encoure edition we are built on a Fiat chassis, 9-speed automatic gearbox. At the front of the vehicle we have our LED daytime running headlights. Making our way around to the side we have our Fiat 16-inch two-tone alloys. Lovely Encoure graphic design up the side. Pickup is here. Exterior shower point. We have our Elddis heating system, 4 bike rack with your reversing camera, and then to the other side we have 3-pin plug and hookup for a TV. Down below is an exterior barbecue point, so you have absolutely everything you need. We also bring in our Encoures with a full-length Dometic awning. So let's go ahead and I'll talk you through the inside of the vehicle. We are into the cab area of the motorhome, and starting off into the driver's seat we have our leather multifunctional steering wheel, cruise control with your speed limiter, your Bluetooth connectivity with your voice recognition, and a nice wee feature is the volume up, volume down button is actually just behind here, so really handy. We have auto wipers, so rain sensing wipers, and we also have our automatic headlights. To the left then is our Fiat 9-speed automatic gearbox. We have our climate zone here with our cab aircon and a fully touchscreen infotainment system, so you can connect your phone via Apple CarPlay or Android Auto or Bluetooth. You also have DAB plus radio there too, and a reversing camera. We are into the live-in space, and as you can see on the Encoure edition we have the lovely dark oak finish. We have our full-length wardrobe here, so plenty of room for your clothes. We just have the removable carpets in there at the moment. Microwave, a little bit of storage up there, 2 3-pin plugs, and then beside me we have the bathroom. This has to be my favourite part of the van. It's absolutely stunning. So we have our separate shower there to the right, lovely vanity mirror with your lighting. Lovely chrome tap, and then behind is your toilet with your Aldi radiator. So instead of having the gas electric blower heating system, it's like a radiator like what you get in your house, and quieter and more effective. It will heat the motorhome up quicker. We're into the kitchen. It is tucked away into the right hand side. We have our Thetford full oven and grill here, 3-ring gas burner with your electric hot plate. We have our sink there with a lovely gloss black finish. Plenty of storage in our cupboards. We have a Dometic 3-way fridge here, so it'll work off the battery, it'll work off your gas and electric, so it'll be running at all times. And as you can see there's plenty of room in there, and you have your freezer box too. Behind that then is your fitting for a TV. And a lovely wee feature here that we have is your USB ports. And not in use, just tuck it away. So into the back of the motorhome we have our U-shaped lounge. So plenty of room to chill. This will also make up into your double bed, and it's really simple. Essentially just pull this out, same with the other side, and that is your bed. That was a quick walk around our Elddis Encoure 295. Full details of the motorhome, covering spec and other additional features can be seen online on our website at thompsonleisure.com. If you have any further questions or queries, we would love to hear from you, so you can give us a call on 028 9269 3999. Thank you.